The spring used in the valve as received is suitable for high pressure applications where the pressure exceeds at least 50 psi. The second spring, contained within the paper sleeve, has an alternate spring tension which is suitable for low pressure applications where the pressure is less than 50 psi. To begin, remove the black plastic spin set from the top of the valve, followed by the actuator star. Within the base of the valve assembly, locate the flathead screw base at the bottom of the valve, whilst holding the top of the valve assembly. Remove the valve pin from the body of the valve assembly. Remove the top of the valve body to locate the existing spring. Using the spring inside the paper sleeve, place the alternate spring in the top of the valve body. Reinsert the top of the valve body. Reinsert the valve pin into the valve body. Using a flathead screwdriver, tighten the valve pin until tight. Reassemble the actuator star in spin set top and you are ready for installation.